Assumable. Almost everybody knows that a VA loan is assumable by another veteran. Most people don't know that a VA loan is assumable by somebody that doesn't qualify for a VA loan. However, the person selling the property does lose that entitlement that's on that house that's still being utilized until that loan gets changed. So my father was a veteran. He used a VA loan for his property. If he wanted to sell it to my brother, in that case, my brother could have assumed his loan, taken it over for the exact same thing, and either paid him more if there was more value to the house than with the loan, but my father would have lost his entitlement and wouldn't have had the full entitlement to go purchase another home. If you have a veteran assuming another veteran's loan, not a problem, because the entitlement gets cleared and the veteran has their full entitlement. Just because they don't have their full entitlement does not mean that they can't use another VA loan. There's all sorts of different ways to make it easy for our veterans in order to buy a home. And the amount of misinformation and discrimination that our veterans have seen over the last 2 years is a disgrace. If you have any questions about a VA loan, you want to know how something works on it because you're not quite sure, you heard from so-and-so, somebody else, what have you, feel free to reach out to me. I don't care if you're in my state or not. I can't talk rates and things of that nature with you about it, but I'll be more than happy to explain what you need to know specific to your situation on a VA loan. Our veterans have earned 100% financing on the purchase of their home. Our veterans deserve to utilize that. And I've heard of a lot of realtors trying to talk people out of using their VA loans, and it's a shame. It's not fair. Again, have any questions? Feel free to reach out. I look forward to talking to you.